It was my first experience actually to work in America. I'm an international student. I was anxious about working outside the school, but it was a great experience. The culture was great, the team was great.
I would say Lochmueller has one of the best company cultures I've ever seen. Everyone was incredibly nice and always willing to answer all my questions and very helpful, and I always felt comfortable here.
I would definitely say Lochmueller's culture is like a family. Everyone's super close and everyone is extremely passionate about helping each other.
I've learned a lot more here as compared to other internships. I was able to grow those professional skills, grow those personal skills, and also just meet new people that I definitely can see myself working with full time.
I also learned new skills that I can apply and I can definitely put on my resume and claim that I know this, because in Lochmueller I learned how to do that.
We're doing tree counts, we're doing herbacea surveys, treating invasive species.
Developing a machine learning program to calibrate the vision models.
I did a lot of technical work helping the professional engineers work on technical documents and PERs.
I got a hands-on experience to actually apply things that I learned at school and got to use those immediately.
My advice for someone that wants to intern at Lochmueller, first of all, is 100% you should do it. It's been a great experience and I've learned a lot so far.
Do it. That's just go for it, do it, try it. Don't be afraid to ask questions and try anything. Just put yourself out there.